Hey friends, if you wish to install new languages on your Windows 11 PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side and select Language and Region in the right pane. Click on Add a Language. For the sake of this example, I will pick a different version of English. So search for English and go to a different version and select Install or select whatever language you want to. But that does not automatically make that language the primary language of your system. You will have to click on these three dots and move it to the top till it becomes the primary language. Here's one more thing. Every language does not have all of these packs. If your language does not have these packs, it will be picked from the default language, which is English United States. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.